Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the console lid for this Ford Fusion. The same procedure applies for any model year from 2013 to 2020. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove the rear part of my console, which includes these vents and this upper trim. In order to do that, I'm going to use this plastic tool. Okay, now without the cover we have access to 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the ones that attach the lid to the console body. So we're gonna remove those, our Torx, and in order to do that we're gonna use a Torx bit. The size is 20. And before you do that, if your Fusion has vents in the back of the console, some models they don't, I will recommend you, well, this is the vent, the vent duct, so I will recommend you put a rack in there, because if for some reason one of these screws fell in there, or even your socket, is gonna be so difficult to get it back. That's all what we have to do. Now from the front part of the lid, I'm gonna open it and this will release the lid. Alright, and now to place back the lid, or if you're gonna swap the lid for a new one, it depends what you're doing. The procedure pretty much is the same thing, just going backwards. The only thing that you have to be aware is the first thing that you have to do is this bracket has to fit in these 2 plastic hooks that we have here. Beside that, there is nothing else especially to mention in order to place back the lid. As I mentioned, the bracket fits in these 2 plastic hooks. Let's place back the vent. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if you like it, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.